Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your tax identity with Credit Karma, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your tax identity with Credit Karma, start by visiting the Credit Karma website. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. Once your account is set up, log in with your credentials. Navigate to the tax section from the homepage or the menu. Click on Tax Identity Theft Protection to access the relevant features. Review the available services and choose the one that suits your needs. Follow the instructions to enable tax identity monitoring. Once activated, Credit Karma will alert you of any suspicious activity related to your tax identity. To further secure your information, set up multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your mobile device for login. Regularly review your account notifications for any updates or alerts. If you encounter any suspicious activity, follow the steps provided by Credit Karma to protect your information. Consider storing your tax documents securely within their platform if offered. Stay informed about tax identity theft risks and best practices through Credit Karma resources. Periodically check back on your account to ensure everything is up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.